Want to edit images in seconds? Today, I'm showing you the Qwen Image Edit Rapid AIO workflow for ComfyUI. 4 steps, ultra-fast results. Let's dive in. Let's review what's me. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary model files. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the files to the correct folder in ComfyUI. Replace your node's qwen.py file with this one, which will improve your native text-encode Qwen Edit plus node. After moving the file, we will run ComfyUI. After ComfyUI is running, we will drop the workflow file into ComfyUI. We will go to ComfyUI Manager and check if there are any missing extensions to install. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded model. I will upload the input image. We will run the workflow. If you encounter an error like the one in the video, just click Run Again. The result is very beautiful. The face is preserved exactly as it was in the input image. I'll try a different input image. This time I'll use 2 input images. You just need to click on the second input node and press Ctrl+B to enable that node. The results are very accurate with both input images. The hat in the image might just be a minor glitch because we're using the GGUF version. I'll try a different input, and this time I'll change the background. If this workflow saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Check out the full workflow JSON in the description below. Thanks for watching.